Let's unbox this water bottle, see what's inside. Never had a bottle like this. It is a self-cleaning bottle, which is super cool. So it's from Daily Top. And there's some registration and some warranty information. Okay, it's an email address. I appreciate it when you can reach out to people, actual people. All right, let's see what the actual unit looks like. Okay, we have a charging cable, self-evident, on the bottle, and then some instructions, and it'll tell you how to, there's a couple different models and modes, and so, okay, all right, let's just look at the bottle. All right, 20 ounces. It is double wall, I'm sure. Yeah, there. Okay, there's your little ultraviolet C light. You know what's important on these things is the wavelength. This is 275, and there's certain healthy wavelengths, and there's some that are not. That one is in the acceptable range, and so that's cool. All right, protection right there on the seal. Looks like here's the dust cover for the USB charger. That's good. Okay, so double wall insulated for sure, so it's going to keep it hot and cold longer. Let me tell you that just by feeling it, it feels sturdy, it feels strong. I actually like this matte finish. It's kind of got a little bit of a grip to it as well. Not like rubber, but like, I don't know, it just has a texture where it's not slick. So I like that. There is a rubber on the bottom here, so it's not going to slide around. So that's good. Okay, here's my use case. First of all, I like the idea that it's self-cleaning, self-sterilizing. There's 2 settings on it. I was reading about it. You can just hit it, or it can actually come on regularly, like every certain amount of time, maybe 6 hours or something. I can't remember, but it was cool that they thought that through. Here's my use case. I go on missions trips, a lot of Latin America trips, up in the jungles and into the wildness of Latin America. The water is not often drinkable. Even the water bottles are sometimes questionable. And so I'm going to pour my water in this. It'll keep cold and hot all day, whichever one I'm going for, and then it's going to keep it sterilized. So also, as I travel through Africa, I think this is going to be a really cool bottle to have. So there we go. I like it. At the price point, it's reasonable, but I've never seen a bottle like that, and I'm sure they're out there. I just never have. So this was sent to me for an honest review. When they offered it, I was like, yes, send it. I have a use case for that, and they did, and now I'm going to be able to enjoy this all over the world. So thank you very much, Daily Top, and maybe I'll throw another video up here after my first missions trip with it. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It feels good.